We are on SnāSquad Epic Adventure 2018! Woo! We are in Glacier. We are heading to Bowman Lake, right? Yes, which has been so far not a lot of traffic. We've been like the only people on the road, so it's been great.
We made it to Bowman Lake. It was a little bit of a rugged adventure to get here. It is off-roading, but it is beautiful. And the water is so clear.
Even the drives in Glacier are just stunning, and this one took us to the Polebridge Mercantile, which is a really cool place to just look around, and also home to the best huckleberry bear claws. And just a 3-minute drive from where the RV was parked at Timberwolf Resort was Glacier Distilling, which was perfect because we needed some liquid warmth for what was about to happen. Our experience with the Going the Sun Road was not exactly so sunny, but it made for a very fun adventure for all of these Florida natives. How you liking the snow, girl?
I was brought here under false pretenses, and I hate you all, especially that one.
Dude, this is awesome.
I would just like it to be noted, it's July. July 3rd. It's snowing. We can't even see which direction we came from. And if a bear decided to run out and attack us right now, we would never know. I know. It'd be freezed. We're not sure if we're hiking Everest.
Very cold.
Or if we're in Glacier. We're in Glacier, guys. In July. And it's snowing.
We brought one. Cool, and carve up that.
7,000 feet.
Oh, we're at 7,000?
71.
Whoa!
Yeah.
And it's Caraclin Snevle first snow. Yeah, look, it's snowing. You can see on your hands. So we got to the end, and what we're supposed to see. What do you see, guys?
Nothing.
This is what we saw. Snow. There's snow. Another time. Not this time. Lunch with a view. And then just on the side of the road, you can go to Shepherd Memorial Fountain and fill up your water bottles. Thank you.
Try it.
Are we passing the beer around?
It's actually pretty good.
Woo! It's good glacial water.
Better than that stuff I bought.
It's freezing too.
Oh my god.
That tastes fine. That's really good, actually.
That is good.
Day 3 found us back in the sun with a drive through Hungry Horse Dam, and then 4th of July celebrations with winery tours that took us to Whitefish Distillery, Detailing Loop Winery, and Glacier Sun.
All right, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
Are we chinging?
And on the way back to Bozeman, we stopped by the National Bison Range, which was also home to other animals,
Because
so that this
some of them
girl
are
could
loners,
see
and
some
then you
bison.
find some of them are in groups. Some of them just take off by themselves.
Oh my god, look at him, he's just hanging
There's
out.
one just standing over there chilling.
Oh, I want to cuddle his face. I bet he's got big old sweet wet nose.
You think so?
Yeah.
I like to drive down there.
Yeah, I think
No.
you can go down that road right there.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think you can. Go, babe.
There's no
There's nobody telling you not to. Go ahead.
sign.
You're gonna get to see it in his face.
Can you calm down a little bit?